Bye. Bye. Miss kita, mami. Bye. Hi guys, today is our last day here in
Ito last day namin ngayon.
Bayan National High School.
Hello! Bye!
Bye-bye. Thank you so much for the memories, for everything. Sumakses ang everyone.
Success na kami. Kailangan na namin magpahinga.
Yay! Magdi-review na lang kami, tapos mag-a-apply ng work. That's all.
So mag-apply na kami. May antay pa kami isang gagawin. Dagdag na naman.
So, how was your experience?
So, masaya.
Masaya, can you tell it in English?
Happiness.
Hmm?
Experience ko sa teaching sa Bangbayan.
Yeah.
So, very happiness. Sometimes tired.
Tired?
Sad.
Sad? Everything? What is your most favorite part in teaching?
Ang favorite ko in teaching is the point is surprise happiness and sometimes surprise sad.
Why?
One moment of two that sometimes is to be more unhappiness.
Okay, so you
More
are...
happiness.
You were happy, you were fulfilled, you were
Yeah.
satisfied. Wow.
Sometimes if go to the classroom, you will go to the classroom sad. After the pag nasa classroom ka na bigla ka happiness kasi sinusurprise ka nila.
Oh, what is your most favorite surprise?
Favorite surprise during Valentine's.
Oh, during Valentine's
During
Day.
Valentine's because
What did they do?
and I appreciate ko na one of my students to give me give me one of letter.
Letters, what else?
Nabasa ko sa letter is
What?
I
What have
miss
you
you
read?
sir, I miss you sir, mamimiss kita. Ganun. Parang, oh my God, nakaka-touch yung ano na.
Sinabi nila sa'yo.
Sinabi ng student.
That's
Hindi pa ako
why.
umalis na iyak na ako.
Oh, that is so
What if na lang
touching.
kapag full-time ka na, no?
You know, so you are planning to be a teacher someday. Are you planning to be a teacher?
Yup.
Oh, why? Why do you want to be a teacher? Bye po, ma'am. No. Hi, guys.
Sinumpat na lang.
Hi. Oh, yung anino pa ata. Hindi naliligo sa harapan. Ganun pala yung ayos nito. Ako talaga. Parehas pa sila ng color. Pag naligo pala sa yung color na... Dapat may brown ka rin, no? May measure, eh, no? Naghanap. Meron? Game. Sige, okay. Ang tanong niya kailan agad na. Same sa ano.
Yung armor number 1. Armor of ano? Belt of truth. Pangalawa, breastplate of righteousness. Pangatlo, shoes or sandals of
during
Baka mag-time doon niya.
coffee break.